Bed sore, pressure ulcer. Definition. Bed sore, also known as pressure sore, pressure ulcer, decubitus. Ulcer. Localized injury to skin and underlying tissue, usually over bony prominences, due to prolonged pressure, shear or friction. Risk factors. Prolonged immobility, paralysis, elderly age, malnutrition, dehydration, incontinence, urine, stool, moisture, diabetes, anemia, peripheral vascular disease, obesity, emaciation, sedation, unconscious patient. Common sites. Sacrum, this is most common site. Heels, ischial, tuberosity, greater, trochanter, elbows, occiput, scapula. Pressure ulcer stages, NPUAP staging. Stage 1 non-blanchable erythema, intact skin. Stage 2 partial thickness skin loss, epidermis, dermis. Blister, abrasion. Stage 3 full thickness skin loss, damage to subcutaneous tissue, not through fascia. Stage 4 full thickness skin loss with necrosis, damage to muscle, bone, tendon. Risk assessment scores. 1 Braden scale. Most common use. Assesses 6 parameters, each scored 1 to 4. Sensory, perception, moisture, activity, mobility, nutrition, friction, and shear. Total score range 6 to 23 is less than or equal to 9 very high. Risk 10 to 12 high. Risk 13 to 14 moderate. Risk 15 to 18 mild. Risk greater than 18 no risk. *** Norton scale. 5 parameters. Scored 1 to 4. Physical condition, mental condition, activity, mobility, incontinence. Score is less than or equal to 14 equals risk of pressure ulcer. Prevention. Reposition every 2 hours, turning. Schedule. Use air, water, foam mattress, alternating. Pressure mattress. Keep skin clean, dry. Incontinence. Manage. Maintain nutrition and hydration, high protein, vitamin C, zinc. Apply protective barriers, zinc oxide cream. Avoid massage over bony prominences. Regular skin assessment using Braden, Norton scale. Management. General principles. Relieve pressure turning, special mattress. Maintain hygiene, clean with saline, keep area dry. Nutrition support, high protein, high calorie diet. Pain management, control. Infection, systemic, local antibiotics if infected. Wound care. Stage 1 and 2 protective dressing. Hydrocolloid, transparent film. Stage 3 and IV. Debridement, surgical, enzymatic, mechanical. Autolytic. Negative pressure wound therapy, NPWT. In deep ulcers, skin grafting, flap surgery for chronic non-healing ulcers. Nursing responsibilities. Frequent repositioning. Monitor Braden, Norton risk score. Maintain skin care and hygiene. Monitor nutrition and hydration. Educate patient and family about prevention. Document wound size, stage, and management. High yield exam MCQ. Most common site. Sacrum. Most common risk assessment tool Braden scale. Turning schedule every 2 hours. Braden scale very high risk is less than or equal to 9. Stage 2 pressure ulcer. Blister, abrasion, partial thickness. Prevention. Best method frequent repositioning. Debridement. Indicated in stage 3 and IV ulcers. हर दिन एक नई डायरी, एक नई जीत की तरफ. नॉलेज है आपका सबसे बड़ा वेपन है.